Hey everyone! In this quick video tutorial, I'll show you how to edit messages on Facebook Messenger. Make sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. You can now edit your Messenger messages for up to 15 minutes after sending them. This is perfect for fixing typos or autocorrect mistakes, helping you communicate clearly and avoid misunderstandings. It's super simple. Just open the Messenger app on your mobile device and find the message you want to edit. Tap and hold on that message to open a menu. Then, select More, which is represented by 3 dots. Next, look for the Edit option in the pop-up menu and tap it. This will let you modify your message. Once you've made your changes, just tap the checkmark icon to save them. Remember, you can only edit messages within 15 minutes of sending them. After that, they're permanent and can't be changed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.